Hi friends, welcome back. Today we talk about incredible health benefits of Kale, one of the super herb in the world. Kale, anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, low-calorie food, low carb, lutein, potassium, vitamin K, calcium, vitamin C, vitamin A sources are were rich in available. All hail to Kale, seemingly everywhere you turn, Kale is a vital vegetable rich in nutrients, health benefits, and delicious flavor. What is good for? Kale good for eye health, good for reduce the risk of heart disease and cancer, health for skin, help good for weight loss, good for lower cholesterol, good for bones. Skin screen preventing bone health, 10x vitamin C health, high vitamin A, C and K, C, calcium, potassium, folic acid, lutein, carotenoids, antioxidant, and low calories, fats, carbs are this super product, this super herb. Top 5 benefits of eating kale. Contains detoxifying properties. Number 2, fights inflammation. Number 3, supports healthy cholesterol levels. Number 4, reduces bone fracture risk. Number 5, support eye health and eye vision. So, this is the incredible health benefits of Kale. Now I'm talking about 6 incredible health benefits of Kale. Kale is widely regarded as one of the world's most powerful superfoods. It is a member of the Brassica family of vegetables that includes cabbage, collards, and Brussels sprouts. These vegetables are known for their richness in antioxidants and sulfur-containing phytonutrients. Some of the hottest nutrients present in kale include the glucosinolates such as sulforaphane. These supernutrients helps to activate detoxifying enzymes in the liver that play an important role in neutralizing carcinogenic substances. Sulforaphane has been shown to alter the genetic expression of the liver, allowing to more effectively use its detoxification enzymes. How to maximize nutrient content in kale? Another glucosinolate phytonutrient present in kale are isothiocyanates. Isothiocyanates have been shown to inhibit carcinogenesis and cases cancer cell apoptosis. When kale is broken or chopped or chowed, an enzyme mycorrhizinase interacts with the glucosinolates to release isothiocyanates. This increases the amount absorbed by the body. However, the absorption of isothiocyanates is lower from cooked than from raw kale in raw kale. In fact, boiling kale from 9 to 15 minutes can result in an 18 to 59 percentage decrease in the total glucosinolate content. Steaming or sweating kale reduce nutrient losses. Kale is an especially potent source of antioxidants. In fact, kale ranks highest among all vegetables in its concentration of the carotenoids, beta carotene, lutein, and zeaxanthin. These yellow-orange pigments are critical for the plant defense against excess solar radiation. Kale protects us from ultraviolet light radiation. According to Dr. Dean Kopsel, a leading plant biologist, plant evolved carotenoids in order to protect themselves from high levels of ultraviolet exposure. Plants use only about 1 or 2% of the light energy falling on the leaf surface for photosynthesis. Kopsel says, in plants, lutein and zeaxanthin play a role in absorbing light outside the red and blue range and funneling it away. In essence, acting as chemical sunblock that helps protect the plant from excessive radiation. The current Cylindros project analyzed 23 varieties of kale and all the genetic, environmental, and geographical factors to maximize the amount of xanthophyll, carotenoids, lutein, and zeaxanthin. They also modified the sulfur and nitrogen content of soil to alert antioxidant content and temper the strong flavor in kale that some people don't like. The researchers discovered the varieties with the highest concentrations had to and a half time the carotenoid levels of those with the lowest concentration. These findings indicate that the nutritional value of the kale comes down to the condition of the soil it was grown in. Soil health is strongly dependent upon the composting, fertilizing, and rotational cycles used by farmers. It has been shown that organic varieties of kale grown in nutrient-rich soil are superior to commercially grown varieties of kale. It is highly recommended to seek out kale from local, organically grown farms and gardens. Best ways to use it. Cruciferous veggies are not easy to digest and are not advisable to eat raw on a regular basis unless they are juiced or blended into a smoothie. Here is how I recommended using it. Number one, juice it. This is the best way to maximize nutrient absorption. Number two, steam it. Melt grass-fed butter or ghee over it after it is steamed and added in herbs such as oregano and basil. Number three, sweetie. Sweety it up with the coconut oil and diced garlic for a tasty side dish. Number 4. Make kale chips. Roast them in the oven with the sea salt or a healthy marinade. Health benefits of kale. Support fat burning, antioxidant rich, helps keep in skin healthy and strong, anti-inflammatory, helps to activate detoxifying enzymes in the liver, improves energy, high in protein, protect against macular degeneration, immune boosting, packed with phytonutrients, high in fiber, protein, thiamine, riboflavin, folate, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, calcium, potassium, copper, and manganese, vitamin A, C, K, and B6 also. So, this is all about the incredible health benefits of kale. So, if you want to learn more or stay healthy lifestyle or disease-free life, contact us. Thank you. Thanks for watching this video.